Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making cornbread pie from the Dinner in a Diner cookbook. I started off the recipe by heating up my skillet, and I'll be browning up 1 pound of ground beef and 1 large diced white onion. Once the beef is browned up, I'll be seasoning it with a 3/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of chili powder, a half of a cup of a diced green bell pepper, 1 cup of canned corn, 1 can of tomato soup, and 2 cups of water. Now that this has come up to a boil, I'll drop the heat down to low and allow it to simmer for 15 minutes. Once my meat and vegetables were done simmering, I went ahead and transferred them into a well-greased casserole dish. Now I'm going to move on to making the cornbread topping. In here I have a 3/4 cup of cornmeal, and I'll be adding in 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, a half of a teaspoon of salt, and 1½ teaspoons of baking powder. For the wet ingredients, I'll be adding in 1 beaten egg and a half of a cup of milk. Once those are stirred together, I'll drizzle in 1 tablespoon of fat. Today I'm choosing to use bacon fat, but butter or melted shortening would work here also. Now that I have this all stirred together, I'm just dropping it by the spoonful on top of all the other ingredients. Now that I have all the cornbread distributed, I'm going to pop it into a 350-degree oven where it's going to bake for 18 to 20 minutes. After the cornbread pie came out of the oven, I did let it set for about 10 minutes just to cool down a little bit, and now all I have left to do is dive in and try it out. I have to say, it does smell absolutely fantastic. This is an excellent recipe, and I can see why the travelers on the B&O Railroad stayed a little bit past their stop just to be able to get a second helping of this. It is so good. The flavors are so well balanced. The tomato soup, which I thought was a slightly weirder ingredient to be adding in, has really changed its flavor with the addition of the chili powder, to where if I didn't know that I had added the soup in, I wouldn't be able to tell you what that tomato base was. Overall, it is excellent, and I do like the crunchy cornbread on top. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you've enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Volker. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.